Hello and welcome to another topic of discussion on child health. The topic for today is Croup and this is Dr. Siddharth. Now what is Croup? Croup is a viral infection. That means an infection caused by a virus to certain parts of the throat called as the voice box. Now this infection is commonly seen in children less than 5 years of age. Now the presentation of Croup can be varied. It can be from a simple viral infection to something more serious. The common symptoms, like any infection, would be fever, rashes, diarrhea, vomiting, breathing difficulties, and this one particular type of cough, which we call as the barking cough, and it sounds like this. Along with this, there would also be a breathing noise, which is abnormal. This is especially heard when the child is asleep, and it sounds like this. This is called as the stridor. Now, how do you manage Croup? If the symptoms are mild and the child is otherwise well, you can possibly give first aid or take care of the child at home. This could be by keeping the child calm, by giving painkillers, encourage fluid intake. And when symptoms get worse, you have to see a doctor. Now, what is the treatment of Croup at a hospital? In Croup, certain medications are given to reduce the swelling in the throat. These medications could be something like steroids, or they could be something more stronger. All these medications can be given as a syrup or as a tablet or as steam through a mask. With all of these medications, the swelling gets controlled, and over a period of 5 to 7 days, the child completely recovers. Now, this is in short about Croup. I hope this information has been of some use. Kindly follow us on www.noe.com for further information. Now, to make things more interesting, I would like to ask you a question each time and hope to get the answers. The question for today would be, how many teeth do adults have? Would you say in the 25 range? Or would you say in the 35 range? Or would you say in the 45 range? Please reply back in the comments and let me know. Thank you. Take care.